Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on stacks. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently stacks broke out a symmetrical triangle after the breakout from a down channel. This was a channel, by the way, and this was a triangle. And now we are watching on the live daily time frame chart. And after the breakout from this triangle, the price line pumped very well, but now it is again dropped down at the previous resistance of the triangle. That is now working as support, and now you can see that the price line is getting accumulated at this level. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this down channel. And on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that stacks has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this patch even before the breakout. In those days, I've been telling you almost 2 years ago that once stacks will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect their target for this breakout here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $3.30 to $3.50. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. And this was a very, very massive rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was almost 1,808%, very, very massive rally. The price and found a resistance here at $3.85 and got stuck inside this channel. Now, recently, we have broken out the channel and this symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for banana, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of stacks, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it had been moving inside this symmetrical triangle, by the way. From the month of June, from the first week of June 2024, it has been moving inside this triangle. We got rejection here, then we had a bounce here, another bounce here, then we had another bounce here, then we got so many rejections, then we had another bounce here, and after the breakout from this triangle, price and retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support and geared up. For a while, we broke out this long-term resistance of $2.50, but again, we have broken down the support of $2.50, and again, we have also broken down this support of $2 as well, and now retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. The technical target for the breakout from this triangle is, by the way, as per this measurement, here, approximately at $3.99, slightly higher than this resistance. And after the breakout, the price and has rallied almost up to $3.02, and now it is retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as support. For example, if you are trading this breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this support of the triangle, this up trend line support, because if it will be broken down, then it can move down to the next very long-term support zone that starts from $1.24 and goes to $1.05. That is a very long-term support zone that has been previously working as a support zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and before that, it was working as a resistance zone here as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, we had a very, very powerful rally, but here we have found a very strong resistance of $3.85. Therefore, now to continue this rally, we will need to break out this resistance. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for several days, the price line has been rejected by this resistance of $3.85. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, you can see that we have the target for the breakout from this triangle slightly higher than this resistance. And if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, that is exactly at this resistance. That is the top of the channel at $3.85. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon we may see another attempt for the breakout from this resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.